Myself, Pavan Yadav. I am working here as a general manager in TRIVEDI CORP PVT Limited. Our experience with the Fusion is the best. We are filling the best segment in the routers and 3D and 2D working man. And both the segments we have all the segments machines in 2D and 3D, 3 axis and 4 axis. Around 30 machines, but all the machine performance are excellent as we are expecting. So now we feel there is no competitor to right now in Fusion. On the basis of the performance, quality of the machines and softwares are very eco-friendly to operate the machines with the operators as well as the programmers. There is no issues we face in last 3 to 4 years from as we are using. So now we feel that this is the best segment.
फ्यूजन CNC मशीन से हम लोग सेटिस्फाइड हैं और कंपेयर टू अदर ब्रांड्स इनकी बिल्ड क्वालिटी और प्रोडक्शन रेट काफ़ी हाई है और काफ़ी हैंडवर्क हमारा कम हो गया है इन मशीनों की वजह से और हमारे पास काफ़ी सारी मशीनें हैं.
After installation, there is no issue from the side of the Fusion company. They are very supportive nature and always be ready to help us. But in rare case, we feel any issue. In case any issues find out, they will resolve immediately.
फ्यूजन कंपनी की मशीन फुल टाइम चलाते हैं, कभी ख़राब नहीं होती है और उसकी क्वालिटी बहुत बढ़िया मिलती है.
We are using Fusion machine from last 4 years, and after installing the Fusion machine, I think in today environment and segment as CNC market is growing, so this is the best segment. I hope if anyone think he want to buy a router or CNC machine, then there is no option against him. So I think my advice, they should go with the Fusion machine. I have best wishes for better features, and they will grow as they are doing with the performance, quality, and give us the new segment with the advanced technology in 5-axis segment. I have more than 30 Fusion machines. That is, I feel this is the sufficient for us. But if we feel in future any new segment, we will sure go with them and procure accordingly.